Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show another problem which is H.Good or bad. First of all you have to read the question which is given a string, determine whether the string is good or not. First of all we have to read our input. Here you can see 2 and then here is true string. First one is 1181 and then 101010 and output is bad or good. First of all you can see that here is if the substring contains 010 or 10 as substring, then it should be good, and otherwise it should be bad. So first of all we have to go to replit, and then we have to create a class. So it takes a few seconds. So then what can we do? We have to wait a few seconds for this. So then you can see we write Java and then click into the Java, and after that we give a name. So then we write good space bad, then we press into the enter button. It also take a few seconds. So then you can see we have already here as a class and output statement. So first of all we have to write public class. So here we write public, and then we have to take package for scanner. So we write import java.util.star semicolon, and we if we want to input from user, we you already know that we have need a scanner class. So we write scanner is equal to new scanner system.in, and then you already read the question, and then you can see first of all we have to take a integer input from our user. So we write int n is equal to sc dot next int, because first here is integer. So we write, take a variable which is n, and it type should be integer, and we write int n is equal to sc dot next int. After writing this we have must, semicolon is must. So then we run a loop which is for loop. So we run loop. Here we take another variable which is I, and it type should be integer. So we write int I is equal to 0 and I is less than sc less than n and I plus plus, and then we again write second bracket, and here we take our string. So we write string sc string str is equal to sc dot next. So here we take our string from user, and then what can we do? We have to check that there is the string contains 101 or 010 or not. So first of all we take another variable which is flag, and we initialize it by 0, and it type should be integer. So then we copy the loop again, because we need another loop. Here we change the variable name. Here we write int j is equal to 0 and j is less than. Here we remove n and we write str dot length, and then j plus plus. Str dot length minus 2 and j plus plus, and then we again write second bracket. And here what can we do? We have to take we check our code where we write if. Here we run another loop which is if. So then we write if, if str dot char at char at j is equal to, so we write is str dot char at j is equal to 0, and here we write and copy this again, and we copy this str dot char at j again and paste here, and here we change, we write j plus 1, and then remove the value, we write here 1, because first one we want first character like 0 and then 1, and again we copy and write and again we paste our paste here, so then you can see, and we change caret j, we write caret j plus 2. So here is, here we face some problem because of the error problem, so it's not a big deal. So then we paste, we want to paste here, so after a few seconds we able to paste here, so I can see this, and then you can, and after that, and then what can you see, and then you can see here we paste our code and paste the previous one, and we remove, here it should be 0, so here we copy the is condition again and paste here one more time, because we have need again this, because we know that we check if the substring contain 010 or 101. So first of all we here check 010, and the second time we check if the substring contain 101. So here we change those variable, first of all we paste this, and then we change the value, we change like here we change 0, here we replace 0 by 1, and the second we replace 1 by 0, and in the last we replace 0 by 1, and then, and if our code, our string, yeah, this maintain this, so we output should be, we the flag, the value of flag should be increased by 1, so we write flag plus plus and then break, and if our code doesn't maintain this, or so we have to write else, so we write else, so else the flag, so then, so here we do not use else, we use if flag is equal to 1, then output should be good, and then if it's not flag, if flag, the value of flag is not increased, so we write else, and in the output statement we write bad. So then what can we do? So here in this video we, you may, you have to face some difficulties because many reasons. Sometimes the screen is up and sometimes the screen is down, so I am really sorry for this. So I think you can understand. So and then we run the program again, and you can see the first thing is good bad and then second is good. So then what can we do? We copy our code and select all and then we go to our question, and after that we go to submit code and paste our code here. So after that we have to press into the submit button. So it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.